welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic we all care about, how to look younger naturally. While there's no magic potion for eternal youth, certain vitamins can work wonders for your skin, hair and overall appearance. Stick around as I reveal 5 essential vitamins that can help you look younger instantly. Number 1, vitamin C, the glow booster. First up, vitamin C. Known as the ultimate glow booster, it's packed with antioxidants that brighten your skin, reduce dark spots and promote collagen production. Collagen keeps your skin firm and youthful. You can get vitamin C from citrus fruits, bell peppers and strawberries, or use a vitamin C serum for an instant radiance boost. Number 2, vitamin A, the wrinkle fighter. Next we have vitamin A, commonly known as retinol in skincare products. Vitamin A helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles by encouraging skin cell turnover. You'll find it in foods like sweet potatoes, carrots and spinach, or in anti-aging creams. Apply retinol at night for smoother, younger looking skin. Number 3, vitamin E, the hydration hero. Vitamin E is a hydration hero. This vitamin is great for nourishing dry, tired skin while protecting it from environmental damage. You can eat vitamin E rich foods like almonds, sunflower seeds and avocados, or apply it topically using vitamin E oil for a softer, plumper skin. Number 4, vitamin D, the skin revitalizer. Vitamin D is crucial for skin repair and overall vitality. A deficiency can make your skin look dull and tired. Get vitamin D naturally from sunlight, fortified foods or supplements. Just 10 to 15 minutes in the sun can do wonders for your skin and mood. Number 5, vitamin B complex, the all-round skin saver. Finally, vitamin B complex is your all-round skin saver. Brightens strengthens your hair and nails, while niacin improves skin elasticity and reduces redness. Foods like eggs, whole grains and bananas are great sources. Plus, many skincare products now include B vitamins for instant youthful glow. To get the best results, focus on a balanced diet and combine these vitamins with proper hydration, sunscreen and sleep. While topical treatments can work quickly, glowing skin starts from the inside out. And there you have it, 5 vitamins to help you look younger instantly. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more natural beauty tips and wellness advice. Stay radiant and I'll see you in the next video.